I want to show you the StockTicker trading robot. This allows you to automatically trade your trade ideas, strategies through interactive brokers. So here I have the demo account logged into Trader Workstation, and there's one configuration option which you'll need to enable to allow the robot to connect to Trader Workstation. And that's this one, the Enable ActiveX and Socket Clients. This is under the configuration section in the IP or API connection. So you click OK, and then we'll bring up the robot, and then we'll connect to Trader Workstation and send some trades through. So it's remembered my StockTicker username and password and my Trade Ideas username and password. The first time you connect with the robot, you'll need to enter those. And then when you want to connect to Trader Workstation, you can use this section here. Here's the connect button. You click that. See, Trader Workstation is recognizing an incoming connection, and you can say, yes, I will allow this program to connect. And then you'll see an API tab appear within Trader Workstation. Now let's send some trades. So if you click over on the Automated Strategies tab, here I have a strategy already configured. If you want to add a new one, you'll click the New button and then configure the trading instructions in this way. You can use this button to configure your Trade Ideas strategy, or you can use this Collaborate button to copy the collaboration link from Trade Ideas Pro into the robot. So I'm going to cancel out of this and show you the instructions that I've already created with this other strategy. So there are some examples here you can see on the website if you click this link. I'm going to walk you through this particular strategy. So we're going to be going long for every signal that comes through this strategy. And we're going to ignore signals if they come in before 9:30 a.m. And normally I would have this at 10 a.m. for ignoring signals after this time. So we want to stop trading at 10 a.m. We're in the afternoon now, and just for the purpose of this demonstration, I set this to 10 p.m. so the signals would go through. Then you can control the maximum number of signals that get sent. You can control here whether, if you have multiple signals for the same symbol, how to handle those. And then for position sizing, we're going to use a fixed share size of 100 shares. For our entry order, there's several options. You can use a limit order based on different parts of the signal. We're just going to use a market order so we get filled. The stop loss, we're going to use a stop loss of $1, so it's going to be $1 away from the signal price that comes in when the signal is generated. We're going to use a time stop, so this is another exit order. This says put in an exit order that will be executed 1 minute after we get filled, or at this time at the latest. We're not going to use the trailing stop. We're also going to set a target order, so it's going to be we're going to have a target order set at $10 away from the signal price. So here we have a stop loss of $1 below the price and then $10 above for a target. And then let's click Save here. And then we'll check this box to enable the trading. You see already some orders have come through. You look over here in Trader Workstation. We've already gotten several orders come in and have been filled. You can cancel the orders within Trader Workstation or modify them. All these were automatically entered by the robot. And it's unchecked the enable box because I had set it to stop after sending 5 orders. So we already sent the 5 orders. and it was disabled after that. So these orders are being filled now, so the time stop is probably already executing. We look at the portfolio, and we lost $33 here in this sample. You can also go and look at the signals as they come through. So if you click on this signals button, this window comes up, and you can see what signals came through for this strategy. You can filter by strategy. If we had more than one strategy, you would be able to choose that here. And we can see all the orders that were created, what the prices were, the spread, and how many shares we sent, what time this came through. You can also save these results to a file for further processing. So that's a summary of the robot. Check it out.